Nailing public speaking, explaining with analogies. Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to cover an essential part of public speaking and presentations: responding to questions. Specifically, we will focus on how to use examples or analogies to support your answers effectively. Let's dive in. Examples and analogies are potent tools in communication. They can simplify complex ideas, making them easier to understand. They also make your responses more engaging and memorable. Imagine your conversation as a journey, and examples and analogies as the bridge that connects your ideas to the listener's understanding. Examples are specific instances used to illustrate a general principle. They provide concrete details that can help clarify your point. On the other hand, analogies compare two things for the purpose of explanation or clarification. They're like a mental image helping your audience understand an unfamiliar concept by relating it to something known. To use examples effectively in your response, ensure they are relevant, clear, and concise. A good example should directly support your point and be easily understood by your audience. The best examples are usually brief and to the point. Remember, your aim is to clarify, not confuse. The best analogies are familiar to your audience and accurately reflect the concept you're trying to explain. The phrase, "as easy as pie," is a simple analogy for something very easy. Remember, the goal is to relate the unknown to the known, bridging the gap in understanding. Just like any other skill, using examples and analogies effectively takes practice. Try incorporating them in your daily conversations and observe the impact. With time, you'll notice an improvement in your communication skills. Thank you for joining us in today's session on using examples and analogies when responding to questions during public speaking. We hope you found these strategies useful. Remember, the key to becoming a successful communicator lies in your ability to explain complex ideas simply and relate to your audience's experience. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning.